Part 2. Using StackUp to make buildings along a street. We prepared the scene with a ground plane and added simple splines for StackUp to follow. These have been conformed to the terrain using the Ignite Scribe plugin tool, Conform to Surface. Open StackUp from the toolbar icon. First, add the splines you want to follow. Next, select the base folder of your StackUp models. Then choose how many levels you require. Then check Create Random Number of Levels and choose the low and maximum numbers. Next, under the Building Parameters drop-down, input the width and height measurements and choose how you want the model to align to the spline. Then click Generate. Depending on how long your splines are, this might take a little time. Be patient, folks. As the saying goes, good things come to those who wait. Repeat these steps for other splines in your scene. Change the number of levels to add variation. There's a maximum limit of 99 levels if you want to go tall. If installed, use the SiNi script camera tools to cycle through your cameras. To learn more about StackUp, please check out the help docs. In Part 3, we'll create roads and pavements using Cyclone.